over here. Hi everyone, I'm Yoel Lopez, junior class vice president, and today, well, I'm in the forest. A perfect place to get away during this trying time, and this year's winter ball theme. Well, not exactly this forest, but a fantasy forest filled with mysterious animals, adventure, and a little bit of magic.
Sadly, we will not be having a dance this year due to the pandemic we're currently still facing. I think we all can agree that the pandemic should be left in 2020.
Please remember to wear a mask and follow CDC guidelines to better ensure we get to see each other soon.
However, we will still be continuing our tradition of Winter Ball Court. Here are your royalty members. Hi, I'm Katie Roeder, daughter of Chris and Nicole Roeder. During my high school career, I was part of band and AVID. After high school, I plan on working with my mom and my grandma at their privately owned Christian preschool. And I don't really know what else I plan on doing, but I'm really excited for that. I want to thank literally everyone who decided to go beep, beep, beep and write my name down, because I never thought I'd be able to do something so cool like this ever. I appreciate it a lot. And I also want to wish luck everyone else who is participating, because everyone is amazing and I love everybody. Thank you, everyone, and I want to thank my mom and my dad and my sister. I want to thank my family, my friends and my family. Thank you so much for everything, you guys.
My name is Nick Brooks, and I made honor court. My parents' names are Joe and Serena Brooks, and I'm involved in many sports, including baseball, swimming, and cross country. Next year, I plan to go to school at PCC and do my flight training at Hillsborough Aero Academy. I'd like to thank my homeboys, Ryan, Jake, Caleb and Shaden, and the rest of the crew, and my girl Corey. Thank you.
My name is Alexis Hull. My parents are Ryan and Lisa Hull. During high school, I have been involved in band, Lion Crew, Environmental Club, National Honor Society, and St. Helen's Youth Council. Next year, I plan to attend Pacific University and study psychology. I want to thank my family for always being there for me, supporting me, and making sure I have everything I need. I also want to thank my friends for sticking with me throughout high school, always encouraging me and making me laugh. I don't know what I'd do without you guys.
Hi, my name is Amanda Elizabeth Taylor. I am the daughter of Todd and Barbara Taylor. Within the past 4 years of high school, I have been involved in student council, the leadership program as class secretary and current PBIS coordinator, tennis, and National Honor Society. Next year, I plan to pursue a career studying pre-law and philosophy. My college decision is currently undecided. I would like to thank all my friends and all the people that I have met at St. Helen's High School within the past 4 years. I'm very grateful for all the memories we've created. I'm also very humbled and honored to be on Winter Ball Court this year. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Kate Butcher. My parents are Brandon and Rachel Butcher. I've been in quite a few different activities while attending SHHS. I was on the tennis team, swim team, cheer team. I've been in Key Club, Environmental Club, GSA Club, and the College Possible program. Also choir, art, and student council. After graduation, I plan to focus on earning enough money to move closer to Portland. In the fall of 2021, I hope to attend PCC for their dual enrollment program. After a year there, hopefully I'll have a better idea of what I am passionate about, and I'll transfer to either PSU, OSU, or Willamette University. I'd like to thank my friends for always keeping in touch and during this pandemic and checking in. for always letting me rant about whatever, and my peers for filling me in when I space off during Zoom calls. I'd like to thank my family for always being around and my dogs for never failing to make me smile. I'd like to thank my teachers for giving me extensions every week for papers I forgot to do. I'm sorry. And all the staff at SHHS for being so patient and working hard through all the obstacles that this past year has kept throwing at us. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for this opportunity. I hope this year is better for you than the last. Bye.
Hello, my name is Kendrick Ramos, and I'm the son of Roman and Deanna Ramos. During my 4 years of high school, I participated in football during every year, and I also participated in basketball during my sophomore year. After high school, I plan to attend a trade and to become an electrician. I'd like to take this time to give thanks to my parents for always being there and being great influencers. I'd also like to take this time to appreciate my brother and sister, Nicholas and Elena Ramos, for being the best siblings and making the best memories with me. I'd also like to appreciate all the teachers I've had during these last 4 years for putting up with me and always helping me succeed. I'd especially like to shout out Mr. Brayton for letting me and my friends eat in his classroom and for being more than a teacher. Thank you to everyone who voted for me. I greatly appreciate all of you. Thank you.
My name is Rose Helen Kelly, and I was raised by my amazing mom, Laura Brackey. In high school, I have been in NHS, Environmental Club, Key Club, the Exceptional Child Program, and I have played tennis. Next year, I'm going to be attending a 4-year university to study sociology. After college, I would like to earn a master's degree in social work and then have a career in neonatal intensive care unit social work. Thank you to all of my teachers who have helped me, my friends, all of the school staff, and most of all, my incredible mom. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sophia Stranyard, and I am the daughter of Karina and Joseph Stranyard. In high school, I've mostly been involved with choir and tennis. Next year, I plan on going to college and studying music education because that's really what I'm passionate about. I would not be anywhere close to where I am today if it wasn't for my best friends, Erin, Gerke, Tayce, Jacob, and Tara. I love you guys. I also want to give a special thanks to this guy for helping me get through quarantine. I also wanted to just say thank you to everybody who nominated me to be on this court. It really, really means a lot to me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tayce McCallum. My parents are Carrie McCallum, Nathan McCallum, and Jeremy Wayne. I've been involved in choir in the GSA. I plan to be a history teacher after attending Southern Oregon University. I'd like to give a special shout out to my siblings, Hallie, Nick, and Chris. And then a big thank you to Sophie, Jackson, and Grace, my best friends in the whole wide world. And then thank you to everyone else who nominated me to be princess. It was a really big surprise and a great honor, so thank you very much.
Wow, that is some court, but it's up to you to decide who wins.